Hello guys, just bought a hosting plan on Bluehost. Activating it is your first step to launching your website. So, in this video, I will guide you through how to activate your Bluehost hosting plan quickly and properly. So start by visiting the Bluehost website and logging into your account. Once inside, you'll be taken to the Bluehost dashboard where you can manage all your services. In the dashboard, go to My Sites option or Hosting section. Here, you will see your purchased hosting plan and whether it's already active or still needs setup. If you've already purchased a domain, you can link it now. Click the Assign button and either select a domain from Bluehost or connect one from another provider by updating the name servers. Now, Bluehost will guide you through the initial setup wizard where you can select whether you are creating a new website, migrating one, or building later. You can also choose WordPress or other platforms here. During activation, Bluehost will automatically enable a free SSL certificate for your domain, so make sure that the force HTTPS is toggled on to secure your website from the start. Now, after the setup is complete, you will get full access to cPanel, File Manager, email accounts, and all hosting tools. From here, you can start uploading your website files or install WordPress. Once your hosting is live and linked to your domain, visit your website to confirm everything is working. If your site doesn't load, wait for DNS propagation, which can take a few hours, and you will have successfully activated a hosting plan on Bluehost. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.